And it goes a little something like
You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing.
Let's start with English reference book I use and how I use it. This book I use for English, and if you read only the summary of any chapter from this book, you all gonna be rock in the exam. It have a lot of question for practice like passage comprehension, and in each chapter you have a summary of it and a lot of extra question answers with NCERT solved exercise. So just blindly go for it. And if you have listened Simran Sani Didi's lecture, then just read the summary in this book. Then you don't find any need of reading the NCERT or any extra question answers. And yes, it will provide you some writing sections also, the letter writing and etc. By the way, I have written some of the important line in the summary itself, as you can see in the book. Now it's also exam idea maths book, which I haven't used that much, so I don't recommend you this book. Exam idea science book is one of the best book you can see. It will give you sum up of chapter as flow chart and bundle of extra question and NCERT solved question is here. Talking about my most favorite book, which is You Like of Subject Science, it gave you sample paper with solution and model test paper for revision, and against bundle of question. It have easy language also. If you ask me which book to choose, then for me You Like is best. Exam Idea is a good book, but not more than this You Like book. For Hindi, I don't use any reference book. I just use this book, which is NCERT answer book. This book have chapter with summary and question with answer. You don't need to buy any reference book for Hindi. These are question bank of maths and English, which is provided by CBSE on their website. Sadly, I couldn't use it because I get printout of it one day before the cancellation of exam, but you just need to print it out so that in case based question it will help you. This all are sample paper books I have used, but the Arihan publication sample book for me a big no for this book. I will not recommend you this book. If you buy this book, then this book get your confidence so loose that you feel like you don't know anything. In this book, as the questions are so tough and horrible, so don't go with this book. You can buy You Like sample paper. If you just buy You Like book, then you don't have any need to buy any sample paper book, because the book is also provide you sample paper question answers. If you don't want to buy You Like book, then you can go for with Oswald publication books. You can buy the question bank or the sample paper of it. Oswald is best publication book for sample paper or mostly for boards examination. I have buy two books of it for subject maths and English. This book will provide you two previous year question paper which is solved. Also it have solved question paper and five unsolved question paper, and they will provide you link for it. These book have mind map for each chapter, a quick revision, and give you a topper answer sheet also in the one previous year question paper. So yes, you can go for it blindly. Shiv Das is only the one previous year question paper book you need to buy. I have buy two books for it for subject SST and science. By the way, I haven't buy any reference book for SST as NCRT is best for it. Just buy the previous year question paper book for SST. I like one thing about it that they darken the portion which is deleted in the syllabus so that student not get confused from it. One more thing, this book provide you 5 unsolved sample papers also. Educa CBSE Class 10 Final Revision Book for all subjects. You can buy this book only when your syllabus get complete. This book is pretty good for revision. It have all 5 subjects. They will provide mind map and case infra and resource based question subject wise, and lastly they provide you final sample paper for each subject which is without solution, but you can get solution if you scan the QR code of that paper. Last but not least, for not only SST but for every subject, NCRT is Bible for you. In class 10th SST, I make my notes in the book itself so that while time of revision it will help me. Here I am showing you how I made notes in my NCRT books. As you can see, I will show you everything in my all four books.